Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Mahindra Marazzo is poised to make a significant impact in the multi-purpose vehicle (MPV) segment, offering a blend of style, performance, and practicality tailored to modern families and businesses. Drawing inspiration from the Shark, the Marazzo's design is both dynamic and functional, ensuring it stands out on the road. Design and exterior. The Marazzo's exterior showcases a bold front grille flanked by sleek, swept-back headlights equipped with LED daytime running lights. The sculpted body lines and aerodynamic profile not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency. The rear features wraparound tail lights and a subtle spoiler, adding to its sporty demeanor. Available in a range of contemporary colors, the Marazzo caters to diverse aesthetic preferences. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Marazzo offers a spacious cabin with seating configurations for 7 or 8 passengers, depending on the variant. The use of high-quality materials, combined with thoughtful ergonomics, ensures a comfortable ride for all occupants. The dashboard is intuitive, featuring a touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Rear passengers benefit from dedicated air conditioning vents, ensuring comfort across all 3 rows. Ample legroom and adjustable seats make long journeys more enjoyable. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Marazzo is powered by a 1.5-litre turbocharged diesel engine, delivering 121 bhp at 3,500 revolutions per minute and a torque of 300 Nm between 1,750 to 2,500 revolutions per minute. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and responsive acceleration. The front-wheel drive layout provides stable handling, while the suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections, offering a balanced ride quality. Fuel efficiency is commendable, catering to both city commuting and long-distance travel. Safety features. Safety remains a priority for Mahindra, and the Marazzo is equipped with dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Higher variants offer additional safety features such as rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, and cornering lamps, enhancing driver confidence in various conditions. Technology and connectivity. The infotainment system, central to the Marazzo's cabin, offers seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. Steering-mounted controls allow drivers to manage calls and media without taking their hands off the wheel. USB ports and a high-quality sound system cater to the entertainment needs of all passengers. Variants and pricing. The 2025 Mahindra Marazzo is available in multiple variants to suit different needs. M2. The base model offers essential features and starts at a superscript 114.59 lakh. M4 Plus, mid-level variant with added conveniences, priced around a superscript 115.86 lakh. M6 Plus, top-tier variant, fully equipped with advanced features, available at a superscript 117.00 lakh. Both 7 and 8-seater configurations are available across these variants, providing flexibility for buyers. Market positioning. Mahindra aims to position the Marazzo as a formidable competitor to established MPV